My Spatial Ecology and Conservation Lab studies human-environment interactions, primarily in the tropics. I tend to be very much into geospatial technology, having used an array of satellites, different types of sensors, for 15 years now. More recently, I've become very interested in drones and understanding how drones might fit into a framework for monitoring and evaluating the environment and human impacts on the environment. And we fly a drone that could do simultaneous LiDAR, which is basically like a laser rangefinder, except it does it 300,000 times per second. And simultaneous to that, we collect something called hyperspectral data. We fly over and collect 272 bands of spectral information. It's a one-of-a-kind system, but it enables us to fly over and in 20 minutes go over about 80 acres of area, measuring in very fine detail all the structural aspects of the forest or whatever ecosystem we're flying over. Typically, we're using a variety of sensors. So we use camera traps, an optical sensor. It's triggered by heat of an animal passing by. We use soundscape meters, automated audio recorders we attach to trees. Using that huge volume of information, we can then start to look at very detailed questions relating to species composition. Where are different types of species? Are they suffering stress? All sorts of questions relating to their growing environments. We are currently living in an era that's completely unprecedented in human history. The rate of technological advance right now, I believe, is unprecedented, especially when it comes to ecology and ecological mapping.